Do you need to find the child seat fixing points on a Jeep Renegade? Then check out this video. Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video and welcome to another video on my 2015 Jeep Renegade. In this video I'm going to show you where each of the ISOFIX child seat fixing points are, including the top tethers, and obviously they're found in the rear of the car, so we're going to go ahead and open up one of the rear doors fully. Now it's important to note that you can fit 3 child seats in the back here and there is enough space to do it. However, there is only 2 sets of ISOFIX mounts. So just to point them out now, we've got the bottom tethers that are found by these 2 labels here and here. Now if you put your finger in there, there is actually a metal bar that I'm trying to point out there. You should just about see. So you've got 1 bar there, 1 bar there, and it's repeated on the other side. Now when you do fix your child seat onto these, you want to make sure that that little red tab goes green, and that points out that you've got a nice secure fixing on them. Now I was going to show you on my car seat, but they're not all the same, so it probably wouldn't be much use to you, but it's worth just knowing where those ISOFIX mounts are. Now like I say, you can fit another child seat in the middle, but you do have to use the seat belt provided for that child seat, and obviously you can do the same thing for each of the sides as well if your child seat does not have the ISOFIX mounts. So that's your bottom tethers, and then for the top tethers, what you're going to do is you're actually going to pass each side of the strap over each of the headrests. So even the one in the middle actually has the top tether. We're going to go ahead and open up our boot fully. Now just for the sake of the video, I'm going to take the parcel shelf out just because it'll be easier to see. So nice and simple to do. And then I'm just going to store that over here. So now that's given us a clear view into the back of the car. So like I say, the top tether straps are going to come around each side of the headrest and drop all the way down to these top tether points. So that's the one for the ISOFIX on that side. That's the one for ISOFIX on that side. And then even our one that would need to have a seat belt around it still has its top tether there. So there we go, that's all of the fixing points for child seats on a Jeep Renegade. And this should be the same for all models of all years. Well, I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below and subscribe to my channel.